Put some color on your plate with this hotchpotch recipe. You only need 2 ingredients, purple sweet potatoes and kale. The rest is optional. Clean the potatoes and kale. Cut them all in small pieces. Bring to a boil with some water and put a lid on the pan. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. Remove excess water and mash the potatoes, and actually your nice purple hotchpotch is now ready. You could add some herbs like salt and pepper, but that's not really necessary if you're using gravy and vegan bacon. You could add some sausages like we Dutchies do, but that's all optional. The old Dutch recipe contains normal potatoes, so if you are not capable of finding sweet potatoes, then use the ordinary potatoes instead. Don't forget to enjoy this amazing purple color. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and would like to help me reach my followers. Don't forget to watch more easy recipe tips and enjoy your day. Thanks.